Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I share with you how to make a delicious okra pepper soup. Here I have the okra I'll be using and the okra is washed already. I'll start by cutting the okra. I'll cut them into two sizes. You can use a grater or a food processor to do this as well. Once that is done, I set that aside. I have the vegetable washed and cut already. In a blender, I'll add pepper. I'm using green pepper. You can use any color you like. Onions. I'll cover the blender and blend. That is done. Here I have dry fish. To that, I'll add salt. The salt helps to remove dirt from the dry fish. Add hot water. I'll leave it to soak for 5 minutes and I'll wash and debone the fish off camera. And that is done. I'll set that aside. Here I have the fresh fish I'll be using. I'm using croaker fish. You can use any fish you like. In a clean pot, I'll transfer the clean fish. Add the grounded pepper and onions. Season cube. Salt. And stir. You can leave it to marinate for some time before cooking it. I'll add some water. I'll cook the fish for 10 to 15 minutes until the fish is done. Once the fish is done, I'll remove the fish from the pot. I'll add stockfish, water, cover and cook until the stockfish is tender. To make pepper soup spices, I'm using calabash nutmeg, uziza seeds, I'll cover and blend. The pepper soup spices is ready. I will not be using all of this for this recipe. I will use some and save some. The stockfish is ready. I'll add dried fish, grounded crayfish, locust beans is optional. If you don't like it, you can leave it out. pepper soup spices, shrimps. The shrimps are cleaned already. I'll stir. And shrimps, they don't take time to cook. I'll add okra. I added the smaller ones first. And stir. I'll add the rest of the cut okra, onions, pepper, stir. I leave the soup to cook for 5 minutes. Add vegetables. You can use any vegetable you like. And stir. Taste, adjust the season if needed. At this point, my kitchen smells divine. I'll return the cooked fish back inside the soup. And give it a gentle stir so the fish will not break. And the okra pepper soup is ready. I'll turn off the stove, serve, and enjoy. You can enjoy this okra pepper soup with any swallow of your choice. And I'm going to be having it with pounded yam. This soup was very, very delicious. Will you be giving it a try? Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.